Hello students, welcome to Top Scholars. Today we will learn about nets including 5 square nets. 6 square net. Net is nothing but a solid shape opened up and made into a flat surface. So this could be a 6 square net like this could be a flat surface. After folding the squares, we can get a solid. Now, which solid will we get here? Let's look. So, this 6 squared net is kept horizontal, folding the square number 1, followed by the square number 2, followed by the square number 3. And then we fold the square 4 and 5 we take vertically together and further fold the square number 5 to get a, yes, this is a closed box, also called as a closed cube. So this is how a 6 square net looks like and what it makes up when we try to make a solid out of it. Now next we are going to study about a 5 square net. What will a 5 square net look like? It will look like this. But what will be the solid which we will get after folding the sides? Let's look at that. Here also we will keep the square as the base and start folding the 4 squares on the exterior. Square number 1, then square number 2. Fold the square number 3 like this. And then finally we fold the square number 4. Again, we got a box or a cube. But the difference is, the earlier cube was closed cube. This is a open cube, open from the top. So here we have seen what we mean by a 5 square net and how a box looks like after folding the net.
To learn more about this topic, download Top Scholars app.